Good morning, YouTube. Here's another beautiful morning right here in Marina Valley. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more about Honda. I just got it back from the tuner shop last night. Everything looks great. I got it painted. The wheels are still the same, which I'm gonna work on that. I'm gonna paint them white so it can match. As you can see, my steering wheel right here is white. I got a rail cage as well. I have it in the backyard. The wheels are gonna match white with the rail cage and the steering wheel. Like that's gonna be red on white. I got a brand new carbon fiber hood right here. We got that installed as well. As you can see, I got a modified sunroof on this because this is DX and I have it set up as an LX. I still got a little work on this car. As you can see, I had built this engine. It has a B16A swap on it, and I just got it turboed and built. Let me get this open for you guys. This is a fully built and sleeved engine. All the internals are fully built, as well as the transmission, the suspension, the clutch, everything. The clutch is actually a stage 2 clutch. I have the skunk 2 suspension. I have a fully built turbo right here with the downpipe. Everything is fully set up. I'm actually just gonna make a video just for the engine itself, and then later on we're gonna start, taking this car out. We're gonna align it. We're gonna register it because I don't have it registered at the moment. I have it in run-out for the fact that it took a while to actually build this car. Once we take it to the streets, I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds. We actually have the engine straight pipe right now, but this is just a little tour of the car. I finally got it back. Mean little boy. I got the sparkle seats right there as well. We're gonna fully adjust the car a little bit more. Right now we're just working on it. I don't even have carpet on that side. We still have a mess in here. We're gonna fully strip the entire car, work everything from scratch all over again. So this car is still under work. We have the setup for the system down there as well. We don't even have a latch on the trunk, so we gotta work on this car 100%. I gotta take out those tints because we're here in Marina Valley. All cops are really hard on you, especially when you have tinted taillights like that. That's gonna give us a big problem right there. The big thing here is try not to get stopped. My windows right here are fully tinted as well, so that's gonna be another problem as well. We're gonna have to remove that tint. Everything's customized up here. Lights work, everything works. Good thing. But like I was showing you in the other video, I was going to show you guys a little bit more of the engines. This is how the engine looks. Everything works 100%. I really fell in love with this engine. Right now we're pushing 330 horsepower. For this engine is pretty good. It's a light car. When I was pushing actually 210 horsepower with my last setup, which was an eBay turbo, I was smoking even Dodge Vipers. I was smoking Mustangs, Camaros, everything. So with this setup, we're actually going to test it. Let's see what we can do. Hopefully we could smoke even better cars, fully more upgraded cars. We're going to take it to the track. We're going to run a little bit more. Once we start running a little bit more, we're going to get more footage, and I'm going to start showing you guys what this car can do. If you guys have any questions of what built, what I did, if you guys live in California, I could get you in contact with the mechanic that worked on my car. What I like about this car is fully built for so much horsepower. It's just gonna take 2 items to change, which is gonna be the plugs and also the turbo. Once I change those, I could be pushing up to even 800 horsepower if I want. By that time, I'm gonna have to be running slicks. So that's one thing that I have in mind, but for right now, I'm okay with the setup I have. It's gonna be something that's not gonna be spinning right there on the street. It's actually gonna grab on, take off, and it's gonna be something really amazing for the streets, even track. Hopefully you guys like the car. Hopefully you guys like the setup. If you guys have any comments, just comment below. You want to talk to me personally, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Checo64_, CHECO64_. That's going to be my Instagram name. It's going to be down in the descriptions. Follow me right there. Ask me any questions. I'm going to start posting a little bit more pictures about this car. I have my personal page also for my truck right here. This is usually what I make videos for. I actually have a part coming in for this truck, and then I'm gonna make another video on that one as well. So you guys stay tuned for both vehicles. Finally, we got this one in, so we're making a little more footage on this one for right now. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the view. Stay tuned for the next video. And then from there, I'm gonna show you guys what this car can actually do, what power and what potential it has. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. Have a good day.